Step 1. Pure cotton fibers begin their transformation into secure currency paper. Every note starts with high-grade cotton pulp, strong, durable, and tamper-resistant. The pulp spreads evenly, forming the foundation of the banknote paper. Precision filtration removes water, solidifying the emerging sheet. Every note is shaped with precision. Edges are trimmed to perfect symmetry.
Only flawless sheets progress to the printing stage.
Every bundle is compact and error-free. Multiple ink layers create the rich tone of every note. Backside graphics complete the currency's artwork.
Multiple layers ensure durability on both sides.
A secure metallic thread runs through every genuine banknote. Intaglio printing gives the banknote its iconic raised feel. Magnetic ink helps machines verify authenticity.
Every layer dries to exact density and strength.
High-pressure heat strengthens the current's paper.
Each banknote receives a unique serial identity.
Offset printing adds the base colors of the currency.
Tiny strokes protect the currency from forgery.
Microprinting creates detail almost impossible to replicate. Watermarks, your first line of defense against counterfeits. A secret layer of security lies beneath the color.
Large sheets are cut into individual notes.
Alignment ensures flawless borders. Automated counters group notes with exact accuracy. Each stack contains the precise number of notes. Bundles are sealed for secure transport.
Final step, transport under maximum security. Secure packages move to the central bank.